Hey guys, so look at what we have here today. You want to open it up? Let's see. Oh, I can't see that. Wow, look how beautiful. Look how gorgeous. Okay, which one are you most excited for?
I think the chocolate one with the eggs. What about you?
I think the cupcake one, that brown, that chocolate cupcake one.
Y'all see that?
Kind of.
Let's go.
All right, let's try it.
Which one should we?
And she got a knife. Here, we'll try the ones we want to try first, and then should we cut it in half and then like in fours, or?
Yeah. We're doing it in the car with the windows down.
Yep.
So anyone can see.
Yep.
And here.
Yep.
But you know, it's just two pretty girls.
Treat me like what is. Don't get me.
Here, I can cut it like that for now.
Okay. Perfect.
Let's just put that knife.
Alright.
First one. Alright, let's see.
Cupcake.
Cupcake.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh wait.
No, you go first.
Okay.
Blah 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 blue blue blue.
Yeah, I think it's brownie. I just looked the same thing. I don't remember.
Okay.
Take a look, guys. It's supposed to have eggs on top, like pastel color.
Yeah.
Candy
There's
eggs.
like none.
But false advertisement.
Literally, guys. Crumbl. What is this?
False.
Okay, you go ahead on this one.
Okay.
Wait, I think I saw an egg. Oh yeah, there's an egg. Just like the color goes away, I guess.
Mmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty decent brownie.
Mm-hmm. Normal.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, which one's next? That one looks good. Let's see. Then should we do that one because like if you don't like this one, you can that will like cover the taste. Is it lime to be a little hard to cut?
Do you want to eat it? Sure, we can eat it.
Guys. Oh, the lemon. But it's so thin. Just like Angie's waist.
Not after this.
Is this like all edible?
Mm-hmm. Well, it's a lemon. It's like the rind of a lemon. You can... Sour?
A little bit. Wait, I ate the skin.
Wait up! You could eat the skin, bruh! Gone.
She literally
Devoured that.
I'm a little scared of that one. But we'll see.
I'm excited about
It smells
this
lemon. It smells like lemon. Okay, here, you go
Smells
ahead.
like cleaning supplies. What the hell? No, you don't smell it?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
This one sucks. There's no lemon flavor.
Really?
There's no lemon flavor.
Yes, sir.
I don't taste it. It needs more. I love lemon flavor.
Something about that is not good.
That one has to be rated the lowest for me.
Me too.
So far.
Oh shoot, this is hard. Oh, shoot. Okay. Okay, ripped. Love that. Right. Okay.
Just gonna go first.
Oh shoot. This one I'm excited for. Let's see.
Bruh, just say what the dang cookie tastes like.
Nothing special. It's a cookie, I think. Yeah.
This one's like the brownie. It looks like the brownie one because it has the chocolate things on top and everything.
This is a cookie, right?
Yeah, it's cooking. No.
The
Say, if we were to
Rate them.
list them like favorites, let's say the brownie one is my number one. Second one, cupcake. Third one, this one. Last, lemon. Lemon failed, bro.
I agree. My first is the cupcake. Then it's
Oh. The cupcake.
Then this cookie, then that one, then that one. They don't know. They can't see that. Oh, cupcake.
the normal, like, chocolate chip cookie with, like, the Easter little things. The brownie, and then the lemon. The lemon one sucks.
Yeah.
So bad.
Yeah. I mean, it could have been really good, but I tasted no lemon in it. It was just plain cookie for me. That's it. So that's why.
Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. See y'all later. See y'all for the next Crumbl review.
Ciao.
Oh god, I'm gonna edit this.